Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can get the 80s glamorous vibes on your photo using CapCut app. So I'm going to select my photo in my project here, so you can find style button below, here, just click on style button and swipe to the right until you find the 80s glamorous. So just click on it. So this is the pre-style, and this can be used for image or photo only, not for video. So just wait for applying, and as you can see, this is the final result. The style applied to your photo, and as you can see, it's very different from before. So this is the 80s glamorous looks on your photo. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.